Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am doing Winterstrom Art's new technique where she does the hide and reveal, but instead of doing swipes through it, she uses a blow dryer and blows it out. And I thought, why not? I'll give it a try. I've seen other people give it a try, and I thought, I want to try too. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Also on our tag team collaboration, up first was August Acrylic Art. Up second was Creations with Tanya. Love them both. They're wonderful people. Fantastic artists. And then up after me is Ice Shoes Crafty Kids Club. And she's a wonderful young lady who does crafts, all kinds of crafts. I call her the Queen of Crafts. She does a fantastic job. And so let's get right on down to that canvas and let's get busy and start my painting. And I'll see you at the end. So I'm using my go-to colors that I like to use when I'm experimenting with a new technique. This is quinacridone, Nico Azo Gold, and then Ore by TLP, and this one is Permanent Red Violet, and the next one I use is Sapphire Blue, and then the next one I use is Bright Blue. And then I go ahead and I cover it with the black, and my first mistake, I used a gold. I thought it was a gold cell activator, but after I got done with the painting, I don't believe it was. So it was sitting on the side with my cell activators, and I picked it up and used it, and when I was stirring it, I was looking at it like, why does this look lumpy, and it doesn't look right. It doesn't look like my cell activator I just made the other day. But I went ahead and used it and put it down, so that was mistake number one. There it is right there. And then I put the black cell activator down and I blow it out, and I end up hitting the on the second blow, I end up going all the way to the base paint, which obviously is not what you want to do. See right there? So I was a little disappointed right from the get-go, but I kept on going. And as you'll see, I blow it out, and then I start spinning it, and I'll just let you watch. You know, there are no fails. This was my first attempt at trying it, and like I said, there are no fails. You just have learning experiences, and you learn what mistakes you made and how you want to correct them. And the next time you give it a try, you correct those mistakes. So, and if anybody knows me that's been watching me, you know I don't give up, and I will come back and I will try again, and I will do this technique until I conquer it. Because that's just who I am.
told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So let's do a close-up of the wet look. You guys can tell me in the comments down below what you think. I know I made some mistakes, and I'll definitely be going back and trying again. And I have some different colors in mind. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. What colors would you like to see me try? Here's my final result. As you can see, I got the base paint. I blew into the base paint. It's okay. I'm trying to show you some shimmer on there. I think I might actually do some embellishments on it. I'm pretty happy with it, except for some of the things I did wrong. But it's a learning experience, and I'm gonna give it another go at another time, and I've got some other colors in mind. So thank you all for being here. Thanks for watching. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one.